Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up OPPO A95 for a senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Inside we can look for something like a simple or senior mode. There's actually a simple mode, and when we enter it, you'll see that your phone changes the entire interface, and we have much bigger icons as well as much bigger text. And also if we try to access the settings, they're a bit limited, so it's very hard to break something on your phone, and there's no need to change anything other than that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.